Welcome back to the channel. We're heading down to So Scare and Steezy's season opener. I'm going to bring you guys along. Another car show here on April 20th. Let's get going. So Scare isn't really a car club. It's actually a brand. Started from one guy here in Calgary, actually. I will link his Instagram here, and he's kind of just started this brand and it took off and it's all over the world now, and he's the major one that's putting on the actual season opener today. So we'll go down. I'll try and see if we can get a one-on-one with him. I'll introduce you guys to Brandon and his totally insane Mustang. I'll show you guys when we get down there, but let's head out. We made it to the season opener, and boy, oh boy, it's a packed house. As we just got here, you guys might remember Yolanda, the winner of our banner giveaway. Well, here's her car. Is so busy. There are more cars than there are parking spots. Everybody's kind of just like parking everywhere. Here's a few more rolling in. Let's go see if we can find Brandon's car. Here we go. I found Brandon's car. We'll say it is kind of like his brand. You either like it or you don't. It's a little obnoxious, but why not? Why not be unique? Let me know in the comments below. I dig it. I'm a total fan. Alright guys, this is Brandon. He's the one that put on this awesome event today. Huge turnout. This is the man behind it all.
It's the vlog?
It's the vlog.
Awesome.
What do you guys got to say to the vlog?
I don't know, we just started making like a bunch of different things. Just like old school, like Japanese style stuff. I don't know.
What do you guys represent?
Just a lot of like 90s like car style from Japan. Yeah.
Cool. 90s car stuff. Guess they're coming back into my vintage.
Honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money me, but I'll work it out with my
Little rally representative. You guys are gonna have to check out this car. Guess that's the cool thing to do. Wrap your car like that. It's the way to go. Well, I found Marcel Loki. I will drop his Instagram right here. And here's his Beamer. People are just still coming out of the woodwork, left, right, everywhere. It's unbelievable. I think they need to get a bigger parking lot for next year.